Oh no, my glove ripped. That's not good. So, why am I wearing a blue glove? Well, so I can raise a finger to prostate cancer. Going on a charity ride today, and it's for prostate and bowel cancer. Yeah, something new. I don't really go on many social rides, prefer to ride by myself, but it's a good cause, so let's see how that all pans out, eh? So here we go, just about to set off on the ride. Not many riders. It's a bit of a disappointment for the amount of effort these guys have gone to organise all the different things, but I don't know, maybe we'll pick up some stragglers on the way. This is where it's uncool to be on an adventure bike. Everyone's making noise except me, well, and a couple of others. Well, let's stop one. Had a look at some new helmets and jackets and stuff. Might have to go and buy one, so I definitely need a new helmet. That's loud when you get a full face. Go, some nice sights on the ride. So just had lunch and gonna head back to the club room. Well, this is the sedate end of the ride. I thought I'd fall back rather than being in the races at the front. This is the sort of just ambling along, enjoying the roads, enjoying the scenery. And digesting the big lunch. Here we are back at the club room. most of the people are gone. Still a few people in there watching sport on the TVs and eating food, having a drink. But that's enough for me. So I'll head home and see if I can find any footage that's worth making into this video. Well, that's completed the charity ride for prostate cancer. The little blue glove I put on my thing didn't actually last very long. As soon as it got a rip, it's just totally got caught by the wind and pulled off. So I hope it's not the same sort of glove that the doctors wear during prostate exams, because that would be a retention. Yeah, as I was going, I thought that when they're advertising men's health and prostate stuff, they should really say, is it time to get your prostate checked? Give your doctor a ring. Yep, figured that one out. Anyway, good ride. Met a few new people that seem to do a lot of these sort of rides, so if I ever do them again, I'll be able to catch up with them again. Fair selection of bikes and riding styles, i.e. speed. You know, the first part of the thing I sort of stayed with the front group, and that was a little bit too exciting for me, so on the way back I hung with the slower people, and that was possibly a little too slow for me. So I think that's maybe a side product of there being a small number of people coming along to the ride. So it's a yearly ride. See how things go next year. I'm going to go and say hello to those little goslings. Hello Ryan.